EDC Pride Group. Today what we have is a unboxing from OKnife. This should be their new um, knives and some of their lights that went with the knives and the combos. Today we have unboxing knife, which is the channel knife, which is the QSP Penguin that I had laser engraved my channel name on the blade. It's a 154 cm blade. It's a titanium frame lock. It is on washers or bearings, and it is a great knife. I've been EDC rotating it and carrying it and using it. As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff on the tip of the blade. But yeah, overall, it's just a great EDC option. Great little thumb stud flicker and fidget machine. But today, what we have is quick unboxing. Let's get into this package and see what we got from OKnife. So we have an orange i5, a blue, and that's it. And we got a patch. So we got two blue I1R2 Pro, a black, and it looks like an orange. So these are all the upgraded Type C and higher lumen output OLights, keychain lights. So there's all your specs and everything else. There's the black one, the orange, and the blues. So pretty cool. They were in combos for basically $5 or $6 more than the thing. Plus, if you ordered over $129 in their Black Friday thing, you got one of the orange ones. And they were doing, you got a black one free if you just ordered anything. So I thought it was pretty neat. Give them as gifts and go from there. So OKnife Elite 2021, nice patch for the patch wall, which is going to be revealed probably in January. I'll show you guys how the studio's coming and how everything's getting set up in this room and stuff. So we have the patch, and the main ones are the OKnifes. I've been collecting each one that come out, as you guys know from the channel. So this one is the Beagle. So this is a thumb stud deployment, 154 cm blade, harpoon-like design, G10 handle, compact size, smooth and safe, and convenient deep carry pocket clip. So there's all the specs and everything else. Yeah. So that's the Beagle. And then this is what they're calling the Parrot. So that's the Parrot. So along with that, that's a 154 cm blade, micarta handle. It's a front flipper and compact, portable, 3.7 inches when closed, deep carry pocket clip. So there's all your specs on that. So let's get into these and see what they're like. So we'll unwrap them. And we'll unwrap this one. I think we're done with our knife for right now. At least that one. We'll get these ones in hand and see what they're like. Just a quick unboxing and overview. These are in there tight. Come on. So nice presentation on these. So we have blacked out thing logo. Says same thing as what they all are saying, is this little saying inside. Great little pouch. These are all made by Kaiser. Which Kaiser, in my opinion, is killing it in the budget knife game. It says thank you at the bottom of their box. And I do believe this is cleaning cloth. Should be OKnife, OKnife branded cleaning cloth. So that's nice. And then instructions in there too. So we'll set those back in here and get into the knife. Like these are nice padded envelope. They each have a coin, which is pretty cool for a collector. I hate to cut one in half and see if it's solid copper all the way through and test it that way. Might take it to one of my coin guys and have them x-ray it. But you have Outdoor Elite OKnife on the one side, and then you have the Beagle stuck into a tree on the other side. So, folding pocket knife. So, that's your little coin that you get with the knives. Just adds to the collectability type thing. So we'll set these off to the side and see what this is like. Right off the bat, I like that texture on the G10. Almost makes it look like carbon fiber. I wish you could have texture vision, but it's snappy. It's a harpoon style blade. They are pretty nice. This is a liner lock. It is a deep carry pocket clip. I like the accents being blue. It offsets all the black. It's squared off. The pocket clip might be an issue being squared off like this. The Drever wasn't because it was rounded, but being that it's squared off, it might be an issue after a while, really choking down on this knife and cutting through boxes or whatever you're going to do with it. But if you can just hide that pocket clip in between these fingers right here, which I can, because I have large glove size hands, so that can hide in there, and I don't feel it so much, and you can get a good purchase on this knife and really do some work with it. So I like it. It is sharp, so it is a snappy blade, and it's breaking in beautifully. Shake shut, so that's always good. Flip open, shake shut. I do like the harpoon blades. So that's the Beagle. So now we will get out the Parrot and see how the Parrot is. Move our thing over here. So still same. You have the OKnife logo blacked out. Still the same OKnife team. Thank you. Same instructions, care instructions, and cleaning cloth in there. So we'll see what the Parrot looks like. That was a little blade. I knew it was going to be little, but again, we have a copper challenge coin, basically. And this one is same on the one side, and then it's a different one on the back, which is the OKnife Parrot. So you have that on there, and everything. So that's just nice little addition to the collectability, like I was saying, with all these OKnifes that's out and everything. So we'll get ahead and see what this micarta feels like, and see what the Parrot's all about. And micarta feels nice. Now, micarta will get darker with the oils as it soaks up the oils in your hand. Let's see how this front flipper does. Pretty nice. It probably has a break-in period, I would imagine. You need to get used to the front flippers. Now my splint, the OKnife splint, the titanium one I've been carrying, and it's a front flipper. It takes some practice, but it did break in pretty well. So that's the OKnife Parrot. 154 cm also, but with a micarta handle instead of the G10. It is a deep carry pocket clip. It is a nice little blade. Front flipper, which is pretty neat. Wonder if I can. Someone said that you should be able to over the top it, but that's hurting my finger. Maybe if it. Nope. It doesn't shake out, which is nice. Well, there it did. You have to really shake it, I guess. But it's meant to be a front flipper. So it's starting to break in more and more. Front flippers aren't really my cup of tea, but I like multiple deployment methods on a knife. But there's your Parrot and the new Beagle from OKnife. So that's the Parrot and the Beagle. And you have your challenge coins, which is really neat. So I'll do a follow-up video with all the knives in the OKnife collection, probably at the end of the year, to see if they're gonna do any more for December or what's going on with that. But I appreciate you, everybody, Lions EDC Pride Group, everybody on Instagram and Facebook. I will catch you on the next one. I appreciate everybody liking, commenting, subscribing, and I will catch you on the next one. And just a quick reminder, December 3rd and the 4th, there is a 24-hour live stream for Knife Rights, which benefits Knife Rights. I'm going to be part of it on Bees Blades at 7 a.m. I'm going to be a guest on his channel at 7 a.m. on December 4th. But it all kicks off at Neve's Knives at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. It's all in Eastern Time on December 3rd. So subscribe to Neve's Knives, and we will all be doing donations and giveaways, and all your donations count towards the main giveaway, which is given away by Knife Rights and Doug Ritter. So there'll be more on Bees and Me and mine live stream at 7 a.m. December 4th. There'll be giveaways and everything else. I'm getting a pretty neat giveaway package together, especially for whoever donates the most during our live stream hour. So from 7 to 8 a.m. December 4th, whoever donates the most money on our live stream, they're going to get a special package from me sent to them, and we'll just go from there. I appreciate you, everybody. Sorry this is a pretty long video, but there was 2 knives and a little bit of overview for the unpacking. So, but I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Have a good night.